Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Notion for the first time on iPhone. Quick setup guide for beginners. Just download Notion but don't know where to start. Here's how to set it up in under 1 minute. First, open the Notion app and log in or sign up. After that, on the home screen tap plus or right button. Choose templates like quick notes or to-do lists or journal to get started. Tap anywhere to type. Use slash commands to add headers, checkboxes or images. Notion builds pages like Lego box. After that, tap the share icon if you want to invite your friends or teammates to collaborate. Next, privacy keep private pages locked or shared with only me to avoid accidental access. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick Notion start guide.